Alright, welcome to Greg's Workshop, and what I have here is my portable power station. Completely solar and ready to go. After watching a gazillion films and movies and whatnots on YouTube about these things, I decided to break down, get one, and I'm glad I did. So basically, I have what most people get, are the battle-born batteries. Rated for 3,000 to 5,000 cycles of recharge and then I've got the 4-aught cables running all in parallel. Running over here to the battery shunt, which is also connected to the battery monitor, and the battery cutoff switch, which is also hooked up to the Victron Lynx distributor with their appropriate fuses inside the box. Running over to the Victron Multi-Plus 12 volt 3000 volt inverter charger, and then finally running over to the Victron Energy MPPT solar controller. Solar breakers and PV wire will be coming in through that wall there. I also have the shore power over here if I need to hook up the shore power with the yellow cable there, or the appropriate generator, and then the power coming out of the Victron Multi-Plus will run up that cable into this transfer switch, and then the transfer switch runs into my electrical panel, which they say you need to balance this out, but since I'm only doing the 120 service on it, I had to use the breakers that are wired in to the appropriate rooms and whatnot that I'm going to need to use. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Short and sweet, and this is what I have for my portable power station. Fits my needs. I'm able to take it anywhere on my property. I did not want to put all this on the wall in the current garage that we're in now, because I have other sheds and properties on this land here, and I wanted something I could just roll from place to place and not be tied down to a bunch of cables running all over the property and all that nonsense. So this thing is easily hook up with a trailer hitch and move it around anywhere I want on the property. I kept the tube tires. These here are non-flats, but I can easily switch out the tires if I have to go all-terraining out there. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Thanks for watching Greg's Workshop. Until next time, later.